Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting Street View now. Open Google Maps and type the address or place you want to inspect. Once results load, drag Pegman on desktop or tap a blue dot on mobile to drop into Street View. This immediately shows ground-level imagery. Make sure to allow location and camera permissions so the app can center you accurately. If imagery doesn't appear, try zooming in or searching a nearby intersection. These first steps get you from map to immersive street level, view fast and reliable. Once inside Street View, move forward by clicking the white arrows or swiping forward. This mimics walking along the street. Rotate your view with a mouse drag or two-finger swipe on mobile to scan left, right, and up. Use the plus and zoom controls for signs and house numbers. Make sure to open the timeline if you need older imagery or tap labels to get place info. If you must be precise, use keyboard arrows on desktop for small increments. This helps when inspecting details like addresses. To finish, tap Exit or the back button to return to the standard map. If you want to revisit, press Save or use Share to copy a link or get an embed code for a web page. Make sure to add the place to a list if you'll reference it later. If the imagery is missing or outdated, refresh the page, clear the app cache, or check Street View coverage for that area. This often resolves empty blue streets. If problems persist, report the issue using the menu to request updated imagery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.